I fell back, I had a baby.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the DaBraeWay, and I'm Bray, and we're doing another Amazon wig review. Okay, so this wig is a little something different. I tried something different, so yeah, it's the CENHIEE 613 blonde pixie cut 13 by 4 150% density hair. Yeah, there's something different that I'm trying, so let's go ahead and get into it. Damn, I can't open it. Man, this thing hard to open. There we go. This is another package, okay. Okay, this is gonna take my time trying to open this because I don't think it's meant to be. Y'all. Okay. Okay. It's a nice little box. Let's see. Y'all, so it's like the shortest I ever been tried in my life. It got a factory smell. Gonna wash that out. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what this talking about. It's a nice, it's a little pixie cut though. It's some short hair, some short summer hair, you know. If you gonna be out all day, you don't want nothing all down your back and stuff. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna dye it. I don't gotta bleach the knots, but I'm gonna dye it and see. I'm gonna see if it's giving. I'm gonna try to make it give. Okay? I'm gonna try. I mean, that's all I can do. But it's all, it don't feel synthetic. That's a good thing. They say it's human hair. It really is giving human hair. It's giving human hair. I probably need to comb it out, but I'm gonna dye it. I don't want the blonde. I'm gonna dye it another color and see what it's talking about. I'm gonna make it give. Period. I'm gonna make it give. But yeah, I'm gonna dye it. I mean, that's already been saying the same thing over. I'm just telling you, I'm gonna dye it and make it give. That's all I gotta do. That's all I can do. Dye it and make it give. But yeah, it's a nice little pixie cut, or a curly pixie. Yeah. It's a curly pixie. I'm gonna comb it out. I got me a little curl. I might have to do my own curls. I'm gonna see if the curls wash out. They probably won't wash out. But yeah. Right now it's not giving, but I'm gonna make it give. It's really soft though. It's really soft. And I always wanted to try some short hair anyway, because I want to see how I look with short hair. Just in case I might want to cut my hair. But yeah. So I'm gonna dye it. I'm gonna do all the water method, and I'm gonna be back.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared, but it actually came out kind of cute. I think it came out kind of cute. It's giving, it's not like a everyday hairstyle, it's giving a special occasion, but I still feel like it's cute. The curls aren't really too curly because I don't know how to work curling on, but it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving like, I feel like it's giving. I think it's cute, and I have to wear the hair, so. But I definitely think you guys should try this hair. You can like dye it any color. As you can see, I dyed it Again, this is the CENHIEE 13x4 150% density pixie cut hair. I didn't have to bleach the knots because it came blonde, and I dyed it blue. It was easy to pluck because it came pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do much. And this hair is soft, y'all. It is soft. It's giving. I was scared because I don't usually do short hair, but I decided to step out my comfort zone, and I absolutely love it, y'all. Like, I was in the mirror for like 20 minutes just taking pictures and videos. I really like this side. I don't know why. I'm not too fond of this side, but this side is definitely giving. It's giving. I washed the smell out. It shed a little bit, not too much, not nothing you can't handle. Like maybe 5 strands here and there. The density is 150%, and I think it's actually thick to be 150, and it's curly and stuff, so that make it look even thicker. But y'all, I love it. Like, I absolutely love this hair. I was like, it's short, and it's I'm put color in it. But I like it. I think I'll like it even more once I get using my curling iron better. I think the curls will come out even better. It'll look even better. But it's giving for me. It's giving to me. It's giving to me. It's giving to me. I'm gonna drop the link in the description for this wig. And what else? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do that. Do that. But yeah, grab you this nice little summer hair. It's giving very much. What is it giving? It's giving Freaknik vibes. So if you're trying to go to the Freaknik this summer, get you this wig right here, dye whatever color you want to, put some little curls in it, and it's gonna give baddie. It's gonna give Freaknik. It gives Freaknik. I don't know why it just gives Freaknik to me. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm done with this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next.
No, I did the mother thing. I did the white thing on that. But I think it's quite clear now.